Hi everyone, look what I picked up at Sears for $14.99. I picked up the Craftsman wood handle lockback utility knife set model 94835. It comes with a lifetime warranty. It has two different knives, a big one and a mini one. The knife has a quick change mechanism where you lift the little clip and it removes the blade. And then it also comes with a clip for your belt or your shirt pocket. And also it has a back lock release which helps you clasp the knife closed. Both of them are similar except the clasp knife release is just a little bit smaller. Okay, so here's the knife. It comes with a nice case. There's three different versions of this. One that has a nice leather brown case and comes with the utility knife that looks like this, except this is all wood. I mean, this is brownish wood and stainless steel. And then there's the one kit that comes with two of these, like one of this and one of this, and then another one that's I think it's just this blade. There's three different versions, but if you want the brown one, you're not going to get the mini. The mini one doesn't come in the dark brown, or sorry, the golden brown. Okay, let's see how this works. Basically, if you release this there, you will be able to change the blade out. So you push that down and change the blade. I'm not going to do it. I don't feel I need to. But if that's how you would remove the blade, and then you can clasp it down. It's a nice little cover which most people will lose. Okay, and then to close the knife, you press on that little button. I've only had this for a few days and I've already used it so much that it's all scuffed up. But it's really sharp. It works great for small little things. I like this little guy because it's almost like a utility knife cutter, like one of those craft cutters that they make. So this is great for little hobby projects. I think the wood isn't that great. It does get scuffed a little bit. I've only had this again for a few days. You can get this whole thing for $14.99 at Sears, not at Lowe's. The handle, the case handle, whatever, bag, the case, whatever the case. This is made of like vinyl cloth, and it has a little clip here. It can only hold one of these, and obviously it's not going to hold this guy. So this is meant to be put on a keychain, or around your neck if you want, like a necklace. Again, if you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing some more reviews today. We're going to look at some router tables and router equipment. You can see down here already. We got a bunch of them. So you can see all that we're going to be talking about today.